Hello everyone, my name is Dalila Alberghina and I am an archaeologist specialized in the study of Bronze Age metal technology. I hold a PhD in Anatolian archaeology from Koç University, where I focused my research on the study of metal industries developing in Western Anatolia during the Middle and Late Bronze Age phases, that is the second millennium BCE. In particular, I conducted compositional and metallographic analysis on the metal assemblage from the late Bronze Age citadel of Caimache in the province of Manisa, where I'm currently at as I am recording this video from the Project Research Center. Prior to that, I completed my BA and MA at the University of Catania in Italy, where I'm from, but I've been working as a field archaeologist for various projects in Turkey since 2012. Alongside archaeological and archaeometric research, I have also conducted ethnographic research as part of an ongoing project tackling local foodways and changes in the traditional production and consumption of food in the region surrounding the Lake Marmara. That gave me the opportunity to bridge some of my main research interests, which revolve around the sociocultural but also ritualistic and sensorial dimensions of different forms of craft production, both in past and present societies. Now I'm very excited to be joining the vibrant research community at ANAMED, where I will be a postdoctoral fellow for the 2022-23 academic year. The project I'll conduct is titled Metal Technology and Exchange in Middle and Late Bronze Age Western Anatolia, reconstructing intra- and interregional networks of procurement through isotopic analysis. Now that's a bit of a mouthful, but let me break it down for you. During the year at ANAMED, I will have the opportunity to expand the datasets around which my doctoral dissertation revolved by conducting lead isotope analysis and thus exploring aspects related to patterns of procurement and exchange of raw materials, in this specific case copper, for the late Bronze Age. Western Anatolia, as many of you already know, is such an interesting and varied macro region, and it witnessed crucial sociopolitical changes during the second millennium BCE. Now, innovation and shifts in local metal technology, being at the same time a catalyst and also a result of these broader changes, can inform us a lot about the adaptive strategies applied by local communities in terms of exchange networks, access to resources, manufacturing processes, recycling practices, and so on. While studies targeting the innovations characterizing metal production during the third millennium are many, research on the MBA and LBA that goes beyond stylistical and typological analysis, at least for this region, is still rather scarce. What I hope to do is to create a holistic dataset that includes not only the study of alloying and manufacturing strategies already pursued during my PhD via XRF, SEM-EDS, and metallographic analysis, but also exchange networks. Lead isotope analysis via MC-ICP-MS will therefore allow us to gain a better understanding of the possible variations or similarities between different typological and alloy groups within the Caimache assemblage, as well as diachronic and regional variations between these and other datasets in terms of isotopic signatures. The scope is not only to exclude or pinpoint potential sources of copper and address everything that follows regarding the nature and extent of intra- and interregional exchange networks, but also to identify possible local practices of diversification in the access, alloying, and usage of copper for the late bronze. Now, this isotopic research, as well as parallel useware and compositional studies I will conduct in collaboration with scholars from the University of Tübingen in Germany, will hopefully add an important piece to our understanding of local metallurgical practices, craft tradition and innovation, material exchange and transfer of knowledge in second millennium BCE Western Anatolia. So I'm very much looking forward to this year at ANAMED, and I wish a productive year, of course, to all of the other fellows as well. Thank you so much for listening.